Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. So, have you ever thought of extracting images from what you're working on? Okay, let's keep that aside for 1 second. So, think of clipping like a cookie cutter. You have to do, let's say, your big data set and the cutter, which will be your study area. Today, I'll show you how to clip using the clip tools and to keep your project clean and focus on the just area you need. So, let's get straight to the video. So in our class today, we have two data sets here. We have the main boundary, which is the shapefile of Africa. So what we're going to be doing quickly is extracting a country from Africa using the selection tool. After that, we'll use the main clip tool to extract the geology of that particular country we're using. For our today's class, we'll still be using Angola. And if we want to go through that, I'll first select Angola. So for map, I'll come to selection tab and click on the selection tool. Once I've done that, I'll just highlight Angola. Once that's been highlighted, I'll come to the shapefile, right click, selection, make layer from selected feature. And with just that quick steps, you've been able to clip. So what if a situation I want to extract the geology of Angola? What I could do, so let me just quickly do this. Yeah, so what I would now do is using the clip feature from the geoprocessing toolbox. So I will navigate to my geoprocessing toolbox, view geoprocessing toolbox, and just simply type clip here. So we have here clip analysis tool. Select that. Remember earlier we said our in-view feature will be our big data set, which will be our geology. Then our clip feature will be our study area, which will be the African national boundary we just clicked out. I can decide to rename this. So remember, when renaming, you're just changing the name of the file. So I'll put in okay, once that's that, I'll run that. Okay, I think I have a space here. Alright, copy that. Run. So now we have a geology map of Angola. I'll just quickly change the symbology to show us what we have. Okay, so here are the different symbologies that we have, and that's a wrap for us. So what is one of the tools you'll be clipping out using this feature we've just shown you? Remember, if this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and be sure to subscribe to GeoKloud Academy for more tips on creating impressive and effective maps. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy mapping.